سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي.
I am Arzika Abubakar Rimau, the Director General of Islamic Education Trust. Before you, on behalf of the Board of Trustees of the organization and the staff, I wish to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for sparing our lives to have witnessed this year's Ramadan 1443 AH and now celebrating Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of it. And we pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to have accepted all our ibadat, and specifically thank all our supporters in various forms. Those who gave us the zakat and donation and the waqf, endowment, and those who gave us ideas on how to improve upon our programs. Those who collaborated with us in implementing some of those programs, and even those who attended our programs and benefited from them. We thank all of you and pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to reward you in the best manner in this world and hereafter. And we look forward to more support in future in those forms of donations and zakat, ideas of improvement, and collaborating in various ways, individual and collective form, so that together we make this world a better place to live, so that together we coexist. And we pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless all of you. We thank you once more and pray Allah to continue to guide and protect all of us, protect this country, bring peace and tranquility, so that with peace we shall all live together, coexist together, and worship our Creator in peace, inshallah. Once more, Eid Mubarak. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of you once more. Kullu aam wa antum bi khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
يا ربيعا أنت والعطر الرداء